Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to scan T-codes on TikTok. TikTok QR codes, or in other words T-codes, are created in order to allow more easily find and view other users' profile pages. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account. After that, click on the Discover tab. Find the scanner icon in the top right corner and press on it. Hover a camera over the QR code you want to scan and wait until it will be captured. Once the scanner detects the QR code, you will be moved to the respective user's profile page. Now you can view this user's videos or start following him. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to scan T-codes on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.